Driving tips. Hi there everyone. Now I'd like to show you how to safely leave from a parking space at the side of the roadway when it's busy. So the car is already on, so now I'm preparing to leave. So I get my right foot on the brake, release the parking brake, place the gear selector to drive, then I signal to the left. But I can see from my rear view mirror and for my side mirror that there are cars approaching. I also have a red light ahead, and as you can see, the cars are backed up here. So there's no way I'm gonna get out for now. Not until the light changes and then they go. Then if it's not backed up too far, then I'll be able to get out. So I just have to sit and wait here. Now a lot of people would say, okay, the cars are here, so they're gonna force themselves out in there. Just remember, if you force yourself out in front of another vehicle and they're mean and they want to smash into you, they'll probably get away with it. So I'm just gonna wait. See the green light? And they're going. Cars are to the left of me, but they're not stopping to let me out, so I'll just wait. Alright, now I check my shoulder again and it's good, so I'm out. Now I can see that cars are backed up all the way down the road, so I'll just drive slowly behind this white car ahead of me. Now please like and subscribe to my channel. Hopefully my video won't go dead on you, but if it does, still give me a like and subscribe anyway, and then I would see you in the next video. But I don't think it's gonna die right now, but I'm just warning you just in case it does. Now if you need to see other driving videos on YouTube from Driving Buddy System, all you have to do is type into your search bar or talk to your phone, just say Driving Buddy System and whatever topic you need to learn. And all these topics, they've been proven to help my students pass their driving tests. They all have to practice them before I actually take them for a driving test. Okay, so there's a green light ahead, so it's fine so far. And this is an intersection, so I have to check left, right. Okay. Check left, right. That's a crosswalk back there. Now we've got two lanes going in the same direction, so I can stay here. This is a curb lane, but I'm gonna go in the passing lane because I intend to make a left turn pretty soon. So I signal to the left, check the mirror and shoulder, and then I go to the left turn lane. Intersection, left, right. And now the next set of lights, I'll be making a left turn. So there's the left turn signal there. Signal left, mirror, blind spot, over to the left turn lane, and I leave the signal going. The lights are still green for me to make that left, but cars are approaching, coming this way, so I just have to wait in the intersection until it's safe. Then I can make my left turn. Now it's safe, so I make my left turn. So I end up in the passing lane, then I speed up, the speed is 80, then move to the right. Signal to the right, mirror, blind spot to the right, and move over. Cancel the signal. Now I'll be driving for a little while and then I'll be making a left turn. So I believe it's like 2 streets down, or 2 lights down, I'll be making a left. So it's fine for me to stay in this lane because I still have a ways to go. Once I get through this set of lights, then I'll signal, check, and move to the left lane, which is a passing lane. Now in sight ahead I can see the lights, and I know I'm gonna make a left there, so I'm gonna do the lane change. So signal left, mirror, blind spot, accelerate to get over there, and then that's the left turn lane. Check again, get into the left turn lane. And it's a red light, so I stop. When I don't see that line, then it's right there. Okay, hope my video doesn't shut off, but I'm repeating myself right now. If it does shut off, please give me a like and subscribe. So while I'm waiting for the lights to change, I check all around, make sure I'm aware of what's going on. Now I have a left turn signal, so I can make my left turn because the light turned green. Okay. Now, okay, I'm gonna be going straight. So at the lights coming up, I'm gonna make a left turn. So I signal left, mirror, blind spot to the left, then I get into the left turn lane, but the light just turned to red, so I stop behind the white line and have my signals going to make the left turn. Just keep checking the intersection. Okay, the lights are changing. Now it's green, so I'm making my left turn, but I don't have the right of way, so I move up to the middle of this intersection and just wait until it's safe for me to make that left turn. Now that turn, the guy's making a right turn, they have the right of way over me. Now it's my turn, and the light just turned amber, and I'm out of there. Okay, at the stop sign coming up, it will be a left turn. So now I can put the left signal on. And stop before the white line. Now I'm the last one to stop, so that one goes, and then it's my turn. So I move to the intersection and then start turning, so I end up on the right side of the roadway. Okay. And it's gonna be a right turn at the lights coming up, so I put my left signal on. No, it's a left turn at the lights coming up. Put the left signal on, and then I'm now in the left turn lane. Leave enough room so I can see where the tire of that vehicle makes contact with the roadway, and that's how you stop. Now if you're in a driving test and you stop any closer, like right there, that would be an automatic fail. So remember, always leave a way out. So if that car died in front of me, I would have space to get out. Okay, so I make my left turn. And I'm not going to move to the right because I'm making another left. So I signal left, mirror, blind spot, move to the left turn lane. Cancel the signal. Then when I get closer to the lights, like now, Then I'll put my left signal on and okay, so I have a solid green, meaning I don't have the right of way to make that left turn. I have to wait for these folks to make the turn. Nope, it's not safe. Too close. I just have to wait. So while I'm waiting, I'm checking to make sure there's no one walking across. Now it's safe to make the turn. I make my left turn. Okay, next street down, I'm making a right turn. So I signal right. And here. Speed bumps, make sure when you see speed bumps, respect them, because you know if you get over there, over the bumps, try to get over them too fast, especially if you have a low riding car, you could smash up your underside. So always slow down and take it easy going over. Left turn here. Okay. Now this is a Walmart and I intend to make a left turn, so I signal left and there's a stop sign, so I stop behind it. Now I can't see too much to the left, so now I move up slowly, keep checking, and it's safe to make the left turn. Then I make that turn. Okay, so now I have to find myself a parking spot. So I'll turn down this aisle and hope to get lucky, because Walmart parking lots are always busy. Now I'm in the parking lot and I need to keep my car on the right side of the parking lot. Just take a half of the open space here, leave enough room for a car to get by me on the left. Okay, so far I can't see a parking space. And oh, there's one here on the right, so I need it, so I put my right signal on, and this is the space I need to back into, so I stop when the back of my car is in the middle of this car or the lane that it's in, like right there. Put to reverse, get all my turns to the right because I'm backing in on the right, and check like crazy and let the car do the job. Keep checking, you don't want to hit anything. Now I'm gonna be parked in this lane, opposite, right there. The car is straight, so now I straighten, clock, then clock again, then just check and back up completely into the parking space. That's it. Apply the parking brake, place the gear selected to park, turn the ignition off. We're done. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.